Hello, Mach 1 clients. This is Carol. I'm going to try to help you guys that have never logged in to Schwab or to try to figure out to set up your user ID. So I'm going to go and just follow my arrows. First thing that you need to know is it's best if you do this on a laptop, a desktop, or an iPad. Your phone is probably not the best way to initially start up your user ID and password. But when you go to your desktop or iPad, you want to go to our website, which is mach1-financial.com. And if you look at this tabs at the top, there is the one that says For Clients. If you hover over that, then you need to select Schwab. And when you do that, the login page for Schwab Alliance comes up automatically. Now, also as a reminder, each account holder needs to have their own username and ID. It has to be unique to you. So you need to know that first. Okay, here I'm going to log in. You put in your user ID. And then you enter your password. And then you hit log in. And it takes you directly, well, you have to have your cell phone close by because it will send you a text code. You have to wait though for it to get here. And then you enter your text code and you log in. And when you get to your login screen, this will show your account summaries. It will have your balances, positions. It has your this is where you can get your statements, and your tax forms are here. You just click on that and it should have those listed for each account. If you have two different accounts, they will be listed there. And then anytime you want to update your password or address or beneficiaries, you just go to the Profile tab and you enter your contact information. This is where you can change your address, phone number, or anything of that nature. And then you can change beneficiaries on your accounts. You just click beneficiaries and there they are listed. You can change those by editing that. And then for paperless, if you do not want to receive paper statements, this is where you select where you want to go to paperless. And you can different things. Like some people would like to have their tax forms mailed to them, so you can edit here by the little pencil. It tells you this is where you would edit that. Now, we're going to go back. If you have never set up your user ID, you'd want to go to the Schwab and just select New User. And when you select New User, you will want to confirm your identity. And they're going to ask you some questions, and you will just need to follow the prompts, like your account number, personal information, date of birth, phone number, and your social security number. And then you hit continue, and this will lead you to ask some more questions, but make sure you have your cell phone handy because they will send you a text code for that. And then once you've logged in, we always like to give, if you have someone else that you want to give your account information to, or would like to share that, you can do that as well. And I want to show you where you do that on the website. You have to wait on the code again. When you log in, there's a section that says Quick Links to the right, and it says Add View Access Only. So if you would like to give your spouse the visibility to your account, you do this here. You just click that on, and it will send you the person give account access, give view only access, and then you select the account that you want to do that to. And then you put the person's name, phone number, email address, and it will send a email to them, and they give access to your account. That's just to view it. They can't do anything with it, and then you have to approve that. And once that's approved, then your spouse can have visibility to your accounts when they log in. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have questions about logging in, just give us the office a call and we can help you walk through it, or if you want to stop by the office, we'll be glad to help you that way as well. Thanks again for listening.